Hey everyone! Welcome to this quick and easy tutorial on how to change fonts in Figma for 2025. If you're a designer or just getting started with this powerful tool, mastering font changes can really elevate your projects. Figma's 2025 updates have made it even more intuitive, so let's dive right in. First, open up Figma and load your project. Make sure you're in the design mode, that's where all the magic happens. Locate the text element you want to modify by clicking on it in your canvas. You'll see a bounding box appear around it, indicating it's selected. Next, look at the right-hand panel. This is your command center for text editing. Scroll down to the Text section, where you'll find a drop-down menu labeled Font Family. Click on that, and a list of available fonts will pop up. In the 2025 version, Figma has added a handy search bar here, so if you're hunting for something specific like Inter or Montserrat, just type it in and select your choice. Once you've picked your font, you can fine-tune it further. Right below the font family option, adjust the font size using the slider or input field. Don't forget to play with the weight, like bold or light, and styles such as italic. This is where your design really starts to shine. A quick tip: if you're using custom fonts, make sure they're uploaded to your Figma library or imported from sources like Google Fonts to avoid any syncing issues, especially in team collaborations. Figma's 2025 enhancements include better font management, so take advantage of that. And there you have it. You're all set to change fonts like a pro. Remember, experimenting with typography can make your designs more engaging and professional. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more design tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.